Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Let's Build. This is the show where I build and review some of your favorite construction brick sets. And I'm wearing a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles shirt today because I'm going to be doing a build video on a set from Nickelodeon's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. This is Shredder's Dragon Bike. It's set number 79101 and it's got 198 pieces. And the minifigures that come with it are Donatello, Shredder, and a foot soldier. Now I'm really excited to open this set because not only do I get Shredder, but if you've been watching my videos for some time now, earlier on I opened up a set that had Leonardo and a set that had Michelangelo. So now with Donatello I have 3 out of the 4 turtles. So let's go ahead and build this thing. Alright guys, here is the finished set, and here are the minifigures. We start off with Donatello, and he's got his bow staff. And we got the foot soldier, and he's got a katana, and this little map. On the front of the box they actually show Shredder holding it, but he's got 2 claws, so it makes it kind of hard for Shredder to hold onto it, so I'm trying to make there we go. Make this guy hold it. And now we have Shredder. And like I said, I haven't seen the Nickelodeon show yet, but he still looks pretty cool. He's got a cape, and he's got his shoulder blades, and he got his hand blades, his cool helmet, and there's his face. Looks kind of burned, and it's got one of them's white, and he doesn't have another facial expression or anything like that. And here are the vehicles that come with it. This is Donatello's with a motorized skateboard. You just pick him up and put him on there like that. And there's actually a little clip right there where you can put his bow staff on. And here is the Dragon Bike. On the front side, got these cool exhausts with flames coming out of them, and just like everything is blade oriented or dragon oriented with the on the big back tire, which this is probably one of the biggest tires I've ever seen on a Lego set. Those blades are on both sides. It's got these kind of blades on each side of the wheel, front and back, and it's got the little push out missiles right here on both sides. And it's got like dragon scales and horns right here. And it's funny, this long pointy part, the tip is rubber. There's the front, and it looks like it's supposed to be a dragon head with the scales, the ears, and the teeth right there. And it's got a top head spike. And on this side it's got Japanese characters. I'm not sure what that translates to. But I tried setting the Shredder in here, and pretty much, I mean, I would probably rather have him stand up in here because I hate it when the characters, when they have the capes and you try and set them in something and just everything just the cape just kind of crumbles and gets bent up and everything. So generally on like my sets with Batman, if he comes in with a vehicle, I try to take his cape off before I put him in there. So Alright guys, that is it for this video. What did you think of this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle set? And if you liked this video, make sure you click that like button, share, and subscribe to my channel where I will continue to be building and reviewing some of your favorite construction brick sets. I will see you in the next video, and until then, keep on building!